We are back with the customized velocity alarm with SEBOL. Velocity alarm will be early warning for operation team in case of when the slope of process value is steep or it's higher than normal cases. It will be an early warning to the operation team to take care of the process value before it reaches the trip limit. We want to do that with SEBOL. SEBOL is a high-level programming language in Centum VP, Yokogawa Centum VP. This is a sample process reaction curve here. We have the process value to be constant. Process value is constant here, so a slope is 0. In this point, a slope is 0, and but from this point we have the increase in the process value with the constant or very well slope. So the starting point is here. We measure the starting point from here, and the end point can be here in a 10-second window. This can be the difference between the process values, and this is the 10-second window here. Here we consider this time duration is 10 seconds. In a 10-second duration, if the this is y1 and this is y2, if the difference between y2 minus y1, if the difference is more than 5, this value can be changed in the program during a 10-second period. An alarm can be generated. This is the first test. The duration is 10 seconds, and we measure the process value at the start of period and the process value at the end, and if the difference is more than 5, we generate alarm. This is the first scenario. There is another scenario. This is the first scenario. The next scenario is like, let me change the time frame is 60. Time frame is 60 in the second scenario. Time frame is 60 seconds, and the difference between the process value is considered to be 10. So we have two different scenarios. The first scenario is a jump in the process value 5% or 5 units, engineering unit, in 10 seconds. The next scenario in 60 seconds. If the difference is more than 10, we generate alarm. So we will function test. This is our HMI for this example. The input is 0, and the algorithm is in reset. I remove reset, so the timers are running. The first timer is the 10-second timer, and the next timer, timer 2, is 60-second timer. First, I changed the input from 0 to 6. Within 10 seconds, we should have alarm 1. Alarm 1 is active, but alarm 2 is not active, because for alarm 2, we need to have a difference of 10%. So I reset. The timers are resetting, alarms are also reset, and now I apply a bigger change from 6 to 30. It's it's for sure generate alarm 1, and it's for sure it will generate alarm 2 because it's a higher jump. And the next alarm also will be generated. After checking the program, after checking the behavior, I will explain you the program in details, and we will find out more about the programming. It's a very simple programming concept. You can use it, you can change the values. If you want to change the timer values, you are free to change the timer values. You can see the alarm 2 is also active. So I reset and I pause the video, and I will explain the program for you in details. A new topic is about Centum VP online course, how to register and how to handle this course. This is my personal website. I will provide the address in the description section in this topic. You can simply type hdhossein.com and you will have the access to website. There are many courses. Their number will be expanded in the future. Some of them are free, some of them are should be purchased. And today we will talk about Centum VP course, how to register and how to purchase and enroll into this course. The first step is to register. You should click on the login button and select for the first time you need to register. For registration you need to provide your actual name. This is very important because some courses will provide certificate to pass that online course, and you need to provide your actual name here, and your email should be also provided here. When you press register, a link will be provided, and after a link will be provided in your email, and you need to click that link in order to activate your account by providing a new password. So you enter your username and your password, and you have the access to the courses. Now you can enroll into free courses, and also you can purchase the premium courses. I will focus on the Centum VP, and I want to see what's inside the course. If I click on that course and select the detail, I will see the whole syllabus, and there is a final quiz and a certificate if I pass the exam. The next step in order to start the course is to buy this course. I click on buy this course. I should provide my billing address, and the next step should be going to the payment page. In this website we only support Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and when you press pay with Bitcoin, you will be moved to the page to select with the proper cryptocurrency that it's possible for you to pay. I personally suggest Bitcoin Cash. It's cheaper, and
network fee is lower, very lower compared to actually Bitcoin. I select BCH, and here I have the amount that I should pay, and this is the address. This test order in actual purchase, the values should possibly is different. So I need to copy the amount of BCH and the address, and I need to do the transfer in my cryptocurrency wallet. So I need to pay this value, and this is the address. So I go to my wallet, click send. Here I copy the amount, and I need to copy the address. If you simply click in this area, the address is copied, and I paste the address here, and the final part will be sending the BCH value and finalize the purchase. So I click send, and the Bitcoin value is sent successfully. And after a while, you need to see that if the value is sent and you have the confirmation. If you have the confirmation, you can enroll in the course. This is the order details, and when you click enroll, you will have access to all the links and description of this course. For each lesson here, we have the short description and a Google Drive link in this in each folder related to each course. We have two files. One of them is the project file, and the other one is the media that explains the topic in details and how to use this project file. When you enroll the course, you have access to the Google Drive folders related to each lesson. In those folders, you have the installation file for Centum VP. You have the project files for each lesson, and eventually you have the video files. Those files provided more information, more explanation how to create project or how to use the sample project. Very good and very great amount of information is provided for you if you have access to the files, Google Drive files. You can possibly install the Centum VP in a virtual machine by yourself, and you function test all the projects available and gain more about each topic. Each folder in each folder you have access to the project file and a video. You need to download them. The project file can be opened by the Centum VP, and the videos, for videos you need to use a specific player. The file for player is available in the introduction. You cannot open because these are encoded video files. They cannot be opened by ordinary player. You need to download and install this specific player. Possibly if your system is not updated, you need to install some .NET packages. I have tested this player in Win 7 and Win 10 and the result is satisfactory. It's not difficult to find the required .NET package and install that. This is the shortcut file. If you double click on this file, the player will be available. And when you try to open, you need to provide your username and password and activate the player. Please only use this player for one PC. If you try to use it in several PCs, you may encounter some errors, because by purchasing the course, you have permission to only watch the files in one PC. That's very important. That's very important. You don't have permission to open the video files in another computer. It's checked and monitored online, and you will receive an alarm for that. So you need to use the you need to have access to internet in order to in order to check your username and password and the situation of the hardware situation, in order to have the permission to play the video file. This is the actual player, the video player. You have access, you have option in order to open the file. You can use open file here. Now the rest of control is very similar to the ordinary video player, and the other option is your login and log out button. It's available here. And the final part is the quiz and certificate. When you finish the course, you watch all the videos and you test all the sample projects, and you are confident enough to take the final quiz. The final quiz is available. The number of questions are is 40, and you need to the passing grade is 90%, and the duration is 40 minutes. I possibly can say that that's somehow you need to follow all the topics carefully, and you need to take some notes in order to be able to pass. And you have the possibility to take the quiz two times or 3 times. If you fail the quiz, you need to read more, you need to study more the topics, and at each time when you take the quiz, you have access to the correct answer. And if you did something wrong, just write down the question and the correct answer and study more about this topic. And also you can contact me if you have any trouble regarding the quiz. And eventually, when you pass the quiz, you will have access to the certificate. And the final part of this video is how to take the quiz and receive your certificate. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please share it in the comment section below. Thank you.